The grade here is steeper than the initial survey suggested.
Let's verify the coordinates for the retaining wall. We hit refusal at 4.2 meters.
Noted. Sample ID is 24B, corrected for elevation.
We hit refusal at 4.2 meters.
Noted. Sample ID is 24B, corrected for elevation.
A little deeper on the left. Watch that east wall, it's starting to go. Hold it steady. A little more to the left.
Got it. Looks plumb from here.
Watch your step up there. All right, bringing up the conduit now.
The HVAC alignment looks good here.
Yeah, just confirm the serial numbers on the tablet for the final report.